Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we will see how to stop automatic keyboard typing on iPhone. So guys, if I say that I try to email somebody and try to compose a new one, and when I write something that so you can see that it is suggesting me, okay, it is already typing in front of me. So if you want to turn the setting off guys and just want to get rid of this, that it to stop and automatic keyboard typing, so all you have to do is simply go to the settings. In the settings guys, look for general, and here it is, click on it and then scroll and find keyboard. Okay, once you're in the keyboard section, you will see several options here. Okay, so as you can see that show match results of punctuation, auto correction, predictive text, and many more. So guys, here you have to turn some settings off, such as check spelling, okay, smart punctuation, auto correction, okay, and then predictive test. Okay, so this one also. After this guys, here turn this auto punctuation and enable dictation, turn off dictation. So guys, make sure you turn these settings off, and after this now we will try to write something. So guys, if I try to write something here, you can see that nothing is showing on my screen. If I write to say thanks, nothing will show on my screen. Okay, this is how you can simply turn the automatic keyboard typing on iPhone. So guys, this is all. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.